Hi guys, what's up? This is Hydrex once again, and you're watching 3 choreographers in one song. Hey. For today's episode, we have John Alfred, David, and Andre choreographing to Chris Brown's song Residuals. So without further ado, let's begin. Choreographer number 1, David.
Hello everyone, this is David, member of Allen Collective, Lighthouse Philippines, 1SC, Movement, and Creators Philippines. So matagal na din ako sumasayaw. At this time, i-challenge ko na naman yung sarili ko sa 3 choreographers in one song. And fun fact lang sa choreo ko. So I made a choreo when going to work, habang nag-aantay ng bus, habang nasa loob ako ng jeep. Kasi very limited lang yung oras ko para sa sarili ko o para sumayaw. At time-consuming yung pagbiyahe from Antipolo to Taguig. So, I seized the opportunity to create a choreo. And this is what I've learned in creators, yung process ng paghahanap ng identity. Kasi doon mo makikilala yung sarili mo at yung capabilities ng katawan mo. So, meaning to say, kahit nakahiga ka, kahit nakaupo, o kahit nag-aabang ka ng bus, alam ng utak mo kung anong kayang katawan mo. And yung approach ko sa choreo ko is more on patience and control.
Who's getting all of my residual? Made it clear you didn't wanna see the sequel. I was lying when I said the feeling's mutual. No. It took some time to realize all the different people, and love is blind. I see love is blind. Can we build it up just to let it wash away? And tell me that I lace you up just to watch you run away. Please tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love. Tell me who's getting on my time. What I taught you, better not give them my nickname. I don't like thinking about it, I swear that it's wearing me down. No, but tell me who's getting all of my, who's getting all of my residual?
Galing mo, David Salon. Kakaiba ka talaga, David Salon.
Dun Dave, nagalaw. Pero seryoso, pag si David yun, nung nakasama ko siya sa sayaw, talagang alon eh. Yung tipong flow, kung flow sa kanya. Alam niya kung saan banda i-hit or kung saan siya banda mag-flow dun sa music na yan. Tsaka yung dito sa choreo niya na to, yung pag-execute niya ng sayaw, ang ganding yung thought process niya. Like parang yung texture niya, kung paano siya sumayaw, then yung flavor, kung paano niya paglaruan yung mga yun, grabe. Lalo na yung nagpa-flooring siya, ayun, talaga ang lawak ng galaw eh.
Ito si David, mapa-choreography or freestyle, ayun talaga yung style niya, tsaka yung hairstyle niya. Hey, wordplay though!
Tsaka ang creative niya pag gumagawa siya ng choreo. Kasi kung mabibase mo sa lyrics niya, talagang kung yan, doon talagang i-hit yung dong point na yun eh. Like hindi siya mag-stick sa parang tuloy-tuloy at pag ganun lang yan. Talagang kung may gusto siyang i-point doon sa gagawin niyang choreo, yun eh, nagagawa niya kasi yun, ganun si David eh, galing eh. Ewan ko ba dyan sa tao na yan?
So yun, so ano gustuhan ko dito kay David is yung style niya. Ang galing mo, David. Yun lang.
Yung favorite part ko naman doon, yung dito side natin, tsaka pag ganun yan, tsaka ko yung mga floorings niya, yung kumbiga siya ng papunta sa likod, yan, ang lawak ng galaw, like yung flexible na ano, ang lambot, ang flowy, mga ganyan galing. Saka yung ano, may sinihit siya doon ng group na mga ganun, tapos biglang boom, yun, Ang lakas ng dating. Like parang alam mo yun, hindi siya nag-stick sa tuloy-tuloy lang. Pero magugulat ka na may pinasok pala siyang groove dun, diba? Tapos biglang break sa flow. Yan. Galing. Ganun yung paglaruan yung music namin. Kaya kung sa last part, kung mapapansin nyo, pagtalikod nyo dun, may mga tao sa likod, diba? Talagang nung pinanood ko, zinum ko pa yan para makita. Yung pagtalikod nyo dun, biglang umalis. Diba? Ganun kalakas si David. Tapos umalis na gumanon ng bigla, nagpagpag. Diba? Umalis na yung mga tao sa kanya.
For our next choreographer number 2, John Alfred.
Yo, bossing! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Ako nga pala si John Alfred Dizon, member ng Creators, Attraction Crew, and Design Crew. And so yun, na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Explain ko kung paano ginawa yung choreography ko. So simple lang, pinakinggan ko yung music buong araw. And then hanggang sa kinuha ko yung soul ng music. And then yun, nagawan ko na siya. Ganun lang. So yun, so si Sidrex, tinatanong niya pala kung freestyle daw ba yung yung ginawa ko. Ang aking kasagutan ay hindi po, ate. So yun. So, panarin niyo.
Who's getting all of my residual? Made it clear you didn't wanna see the sequel. I was lying when I said the feeling's mutual. No. It took some time to realize I'm a different people, and love is blind. I see love is blind. Can we build it up, just to let it wash away? And tell me that I lace you up, just to watch you run away. Please tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love. Tell me who's getting on my time. All that I used to be mine. Believe it, who did you teach what I taught?
Kala ko meron pa.
Ayun, sa chorus niya wala talaga ako masabi. Pwedeng next na agad.
Inaagos yung sombrero sa dulo.
So ito, seryoso na. So, I like the most is yung part ng Love is Blind hanggang sa Ocean Waves. Kasi ang ganda ng flow, yung process, and also how you applied patience dun sa may chorus. Na nagdadagdag talaga ng flavor dun sa choreo. So, yun, ang galing nun. And good job, kuya.
So, yun nga. Si Kuya Alfred kasi, minsan ko lang siya makasama sa Creators. Pero napapanood ko naman yung mga sayaw niya. Nagpo-post siya, ganun. Nakikita ko siya. Tsaka sayang yung dulo, Kuya Alfred. Nabitin. Akala ko meron pa. Inagis siya lang pala yung sombrero. Ganun. Sayang. Bitin ako. Pero yung favorite part ko dun, yung may wordplay siya dun na Runaway. Tinignan niya muna. Yun lang. Yan. Runaway. Tapos yung part na nag-balance siya after ng Runaway. Pum pum. Tapos dun siya kumuha ng lakas. Kung saan niya binalance yun. Dito. Tumalon siya. Yan. For me, ang kasi. Like parang ang matured tignan. Ang hirap din kasi mag-balance pag gumagawa ng choreo. Like parang magbabalance ka dito sa part na to, pero syempre expected mo pag nabalance mo na to, doon ka nakukuha ng movement or step dito sa kabila. Pero sa kanya talagang naging siya, consistent, like nakastay lang ganun. So, bilang boom boom boom. Galing mo dun, kuya. Lips ako. Tsaka yung body coordination niya, yun, may part kasi doon na napansin ko na small detail siya, pero yung katawan niya ganun, para may opposite muna, from hands to body to toe, ang ganyan head. Yun, ang ganda tingnan. So, good job, kuya. Congrats.
And for our third choreographer number 3, Andre.
Hello, I'm Andre, member of Creators Movement and Cameo Dance Company. ang naging thought process ko sa choreography ko, una nung napakinggan ko yung music, familiar siya sa akin. And then, nung napakinggan ko siya, may naalala ko, may choreo na pala ako dito dati. So, pinanood ko ulit yun. Then, dun ako ba ng idea. Like, parang gusto ko naman na angatan yung choreo na yun na ginawa ko dati. Diba? Daming alam eh, ganun-ganun ba? Angatan. Pero yung paggagawa rin kasi ako ng choreo, gusto ko yung more on wide movement, tsaka yung mga power movement na puro pa ganyan. Ganyan, so power, ganyan. Tsaka gusto ko dun sa choreo ko na yun. Gusto ko lang mag-enjoy ganun, pero kung makikita yung expression ko dun seryoso. Ayan. Kasi may mga wordplay din kasi ako ginawa dun, like parang love is blind, dinakpan, sinignan, yan. Mga simple wordplay lang. Love is blind. Yun, yung favorite part ko pala dun sa choreography ko. Yung may part ako dun na feel the love. Yan. Wala, ewan ko rin, ba't ko naging favorite yun? Tagal ko kasi nag-isip ng step na yun dun sa part na yun. Pero yun lang pala makagawa ko. Pero yun, sana mag-enjoy kayo guys. Yeah.
Who's getting all of my residual? Made it clear you didn't wanna see the sequel. I was lying when I said the feeling's mutual. No. It took some time to realize all the different people, and love is blind. I see love is blind. Can we build it up, just to let it wash away? And tell me that I lace you up, just to watch you run away. Please tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love. Tell me who's getting on my time, all that I used to be mine. Believe it, who did you teach what I taught you? Better not give them my nickname. I don't like thinking about it, I swear that it's wearing me down. No, but tell me who's getting all of my, who's getting all of my residual?
Well, masasabi ko sa choreo niya, magaling siya kung paano niya gamitin yung katawan niya at yung control. Kasi kung titingnan ko to from audience perspective, at kung ako yung gagawa ng choreo niya, mapapagod ako. Kasi grabe yung energy distribution at kung paano niya ina-apply yun sa isang movement at na-execute pa rin and nakaka-recover siya ng ganun ka-smooth. Well, ang galing nun. And also yung part na may hinit siyang certain bit using his head, ayun, nasatisfy ako dun. Good job.
Hey, ang galing mo. Okay, yun lang, ang galing mo. So yun, si Andre. Ang galing mo pre. So yun ang masasabi ko sa choreography ni Andre. Solid mo. Ang galing mo kung paano mo kinuha yung music. Ang galing mo. Tapos sabi.
Hi guys, once again, thank you so much for watching our 3 choreographers in 1 song episode 2. And if you enjoyed our video, please click the like, share, and comment down below which choreographer is your favorite. We appreciate your love and support. So stay tuned because we have some of the amazing choreographers that will be joining the episode 3. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our page and follow to stay updated in our latest uploads. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Sabihin mo kung saan siya dalahin. So yun, magre-react na tayo sa video ni Andre sa choreography niya. Ano to si Andre? Kupal din mo si Andre eh. So yun, next natin si David. Wait lang, David ah. Wait lang, mamaya ka na sumayaw. Mamaya ka na sumayaw ha. So mag-react tayo sa sayo niya. Good luck, David.